Good afternoon, friends. Welcome back to Teaching in Room 9, our region's largest classroom. My name is Julia. I'm a second grade teacher at the Soulard School, and here for Teaching in Room 9, my lessons focus on letters and sounds. Welcome back, learners. Thank you so much for taking time out of your day to be here with me, and I'm really excited I get the chance to be here with you. As always, we love to see our learners following along at home. So always feel free to have your grown-up take a picture or a video of you following along and send them in to the 9PBS station or post them online and hashtag 9PBS. All right, friends, we're gonna go ahead and start by doing our mindful moment exercise here together. This will get our bodies and our brains ready to learn. When we do this, it allows our body and our mind to recenter and gives us all the right tools in order to be able to focus and take in new information. We're going to do that by doing some snowman breathing exercises. Now, I have a snowman picture all ready to go right here. But if you'd like, you can grab a marker and some paper to draw your own snowman. We'll also be reading and writing some words together later, and feel free to write along with me. I'll give you a moment to get what you need. All right, friends, if you are drawing your own snowman at home, I'm going to go ahead and draw one here too with you. I'm going to start by drawing my snowman's head by making a circle. Just like this. Now I'm going to give my snowman some coal eyes, a carrot nose, and then a coal smile. Just like that. Now I'm going to give my snowman one big round snowball for the body. Just like that. Now, in order for your snowman to look like mine and for us to do this exercise together, go ahead and give your snowman 4 coal buttons. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Great job. All right, I'm going to go ahead and share my screen so you can see my snowman. All right, friends, you can see my snowman here. It says snowman breathing at the top. And what we're going to do is we're going to take our pointer finger to the very first button here. Then we'll slowly take a deep breath in through our nose and breathe out through our mouth. And we'll do this for all 4 buttons. Are you ready to try? Okay, let's go ahead. Point to your first button. Breathe in through your nose. Out through your mouth. Move on to the next. Breathe in through your nose. Out through your mouth. Again, in through your nose. And out. Last one, breathe in through your nose. And out. Fantastic job, friends. I'm so proud of you. Another way that you can use your snowman picture for a mindful moment exercise is we're going to take our pointer finger and we're going to trace the outline of our snowman while we take those same slow, deep breaths in through our nose and out through our mouth. Let's go ahead and try it together. I'm going to start at the bottom of my snowman. Okay, are you ready? Breathe in. Out. In. Out. In. Out. In and out. And stop when you get back to that starting spot. Amazing job. I'm so proud of you. I'm going to stop sharing my screen here. And I'm going to go ahead and erase my snowman friend here. All right. Now that our bodies are ready to learn, let's take a minute to talk about getting ready to learn at school. We want to give ourselves all the right tools to be able to learn our best. We're going to start by reviewing a few strategies that we've talked about together so far. Now, we want to make sure that we have chosen a smart spot that's away from any distractions that might take away from our learning. Go ahead and check in with your body. Are you in a smart spot right now? If not, go ahead and get into a smart spot. We also want to try our best to show body basics or whole body listening. This might look different for everyone, but it might look like sitting up straight and tall, making sure our eyes are on the speaker, our ears are listening. Go ahead and turn those listening ears all the way up. Our mouth is quiet so that way you can hear the words. And our heart is ready to learn. All right, now that we've prepared our bodies and our brains to learn, and we've reviewed some tools to help us be successful when we're learning in school, now we're ready to learn. As I mentioned, we're here to talk about letters and sounds. In our time together before, we have practiced all our letter sounds. We're going to be just like reading scientists, looking at all parts of a word to find patterns and sounds that we know that will help us to better understand how to read and write new words. So today, our learning goal or objective is I can. Can you say this along with me, learners? Nice and loud. I can. Ooh, great job. Make new words by changing the first sound. Very good, friends. All right. So we're going to go ahead and start by reviewing all our letter sounds. If you think that you know some of your letter sounds, try to say or sing them along with me. Jump in whenever you feel comfortable. All right, are you ready, learners? Let's go ahead and try one. Let's sing a little song here together. A says a, B says b, C says k, k. These are letter sounds. D says d, d. E says a, F says f, f. These are letter sounds. G then says g, g. H then says I says I. J says ja. K says k. L says l. And M says N says O says ah. P says p. These are letter sounds. Q says qua. R says S says s. These are letter sounds. T then says t. U then says V says v. W says wa. X says x. Y says ya. And Z says z. Now we're all done with 26 letters. Letters come together to make words. Wow, amazing job, friends. Go ahead and kiss your brains. That was amazing. I could tell you knew some of your letter sounds. I'm super proud of you. We're going to go ahead and warm up our brains even more to work with some of the letter sounds that we just practiced. So go ahead and tickle those brains, get them ready to roll. And we're going to start by practicing rhyming words. And we have a little song that went with our learning rhyming words. Rhyming words are words that have the same sounds. They have to end in the same way. Rhyming words have the same vowel sound and the same sounds at the very end. Nice. I can tell some of my friends remember that song from before. So now I'm going to go ahead and give you 2 words. You're going to repeat or say those words back to me. And then you're going to shout out the rhyme. Again, that's the vowel sound and the sounds that come after it. All right, let's go ahead and practice, friends. Are you ready? Okay, say the words cat, mat. Very good. And our rhyme is at. Very good. A is our short vowel sound, and t is the sound that comes after. So at is our rhyme. Let's practice another one. Say the words mad, had. Very good. And our rhyme is add. Fantastic. Say red bed. Great job. And our rhyme is ed. Amazing. All right, say the words hope, rope. Yeah, and our rhyme is ope. Great job. Last one, say wet, jet. Yeah, and your rhyme is et. Fantastic. Now, I'm going to say a word. You'll repeat it or say it back to me, and then tell me just the beginning sound. So you're really listening for the very first sound you hear. All right, let's go ahead and practice. Say the word candy. Great. And the first sound you hear in candy is k, k. Amazing. Give me a me too if you love candy. Yeah, me too, for sure. All right, say the word food. Great job. And the first sound you hear in food is? Yes, amazing. Practice another one. Say the word watch. And the first sound you hear in watch is? What? Very good. Make sure you give me the sound and not the letter. All right, say the word home. Yeah, and the first time you hear in home is? Very good. Last one, say the word melon. Yeah, and the first time you hear in melon is? Very good. Now, I'm going to say a word, same thing. You're going to say it back to me or repeat it. Then this time, you're going to listen and tell me just the very last sound you hear. So this time, you're not telling me the rhyme, just the very last sound you hear. Let's practice. Say the word keep. Great. What's the very last sound you hear in the word keep? Yeah, you're right. It's good. Let's practice another one. Say vase. And the last sound you hear in vase is? Very good. Let's practice another one. Say hot. Yeah, and the very last sound in hot. Great job. If this is still feeling kind of tricky for you, that's okay. It'll get easier the more we practice here together. All right, say the word does. Yeah, and the last sound you hear in does. Zzz, very good. Last one, say the word knob. And the last sound you hear in knob. B. Very good. I'm so proud of you, friends. All right, so now we're going to be working with changing out the first sound we hear in words and keeping the rhyme the same. And this way we can make so many new words. This is called onset rhyme. Can you say that? I say, you say, onset rhyme. Nice, very good. And we learned a little song that went along with it. Onset rhyme are the parts found in a word. Blend the first sound with the rhyme and tell me what you heard. Sing it again with me. Onset rhyme are the parts found in a word. Blend the first sound with the rhyme and tell me what you heard. Very good. Okay, now we're going to go ahead and start practicing this together. So we're starting with short U sound here. We have p. Then we have for up is our rhyme. If you want to go ahead and write it with me, go ahead. I'm going to write mine here. So we start with up, and then up is our rhyme. Okay. Now I'm going to go ahead and touch each sound. Feel free to do it with me if you wrote yours down too. Blend it all together. Pup. Very good. That's our word up here. Now I'm going to take the p and I'm going to change it to a k. So go ahead and write your new word. Okay, touch the letter or the sounds. K, blend it, cup. So we went from pup to cup. Amazing job, friends. All right. Now let's come down to this one right here. This one, our rhyme is un, Okay, so I'm gonna write that here. Short U sound and then at the end. That's our rhyme. The first sound we hear is s. Okay. Take these down. All right. So here we are right here. I'm gonna make my s. Right, touch your sounds. Blend it. Sun. Very good. Now I'm gonna take my s and I'm gonna put in an Go ahead and write your new word. Un. Blend it. Run. I turned sun into run. Okay. Now I'm gonna change my and put in a b. Blend it. Bun. Very good, like a hamburger bun. Amazing. I'm so proud of you. Okay, let's keep going, friends. You're doing a great job this time. So we still got our short U. But now we have a g sound at the end. Letter G makes that g sound. So now our rhyme is ugh. Very good. And I can see from my little picture here and my b. So I'm going to go ahead and put that in here. Okay. Touch your sounds. G. Blend it. Bug. Very good. So ugh was my rhyme and b was the first sound I heard, or the onset. Now I'm going to make a new word by changing b into the sound. What letter says Yeah, the letter M. Very good. Touch your sounds. G. Blend it. Mug. So I kept my ugh rhyme the same, but I turned bug into mug by changing my first sound. Now I'm going to make it into a new one. Change your into Touch your sounds. G. Blend it. Rug. Very good. One more. This time change your into the j. Yeah, letter J makes the j sound. Touch your sounds. G. Blend it. Jug. So my ugh rhyme stayed the same and I made bug, mug, rug, and jug. Wow, so many different words. Okay. All right, I'm going to erase these. We're going to start with a new rhyme. Now we're looking at it is our short I sound. It. And my first rhyme is it. It. Go ahead and write that down. Short I, it. Sound that comes after. And I'm putting my dots right underneath. Okay, my first sound is k. Okay, I'm going to use a K to make the k sound, and it is my rhyme. Go ahead and touch your sounds. It. Blend it. Kit. Very good, like a first aid kit. Now I'm going to change my k to yeah, the letter S makes the sound. Okay, go ahead and touch your sounds. It. Blend it. Sit. Very good. All right. Change it again. Change your S into yeah, letter H makes the sound. Go ahead and touch your sounds. It. Blend it. Hit. Very good. Here it was like a baseball player was going to hit the ball. Amazing. Okay, now we're going to come down here. And this time we're keeping our vowel sound the same, I. But our rhyme is g, ig. I've got that g at the end to make ig for our rhyme. Okay, and our first sound is, go ahead and write it if you're writing along with me. Do your dots for your sounds. Okay, are you ready? Touch your sounds. Ig, blend it, pig. Is our onset, our first sound. Ig is our rhyme. Let's switch it out. Change your p to d, d. Right, what's our new word? What do you think? Shout it out for me, nice and loud. Yeah, you're absolutely right. Duh, ig, dig. Touch your sounds. Duh, ig, blend it, dig. Very good. Now change your d to w, w. What letter makes the w sound? You're absolutely right. W makes the w sound. Touch your sounds. W, I, g. Blend it, wig. Very good. All right. Okay. We're keeping our short I. But this time we're switching out the g for a p sound. So instead of ig being our rhyme, ip is our rhyme. Ip. IP, if you're writing them along with me. And our first sound here, we're right down here, is O. O. Letter L makes the O sound. So O is our first sound, ip is our rhyme. Touch your sounds with me, ready? O, I. Blend it, lip. Beautiful. Change O to ready? Touch your sounds. I. Blend it, tip. Very good. Change your t to Yeah, letter R makes the sound. Okay, ready? Touch your sounds. It. Blend it, rip. Amazing. Was our last one there. So ip was our rhyme and we made rip, tip, and lip. All right, now we're coming to the bottom here. We're keeping our short I, says I, but this time change your to Okay, so now here is our rhyme is in. Say that, in. Very good. And our first sound here is b, b. What letter says b? Yeah, B says b, b. All right, in is our rhyme. B is the sound that comes first. B, in, bin. Touch your sounds. B, I, blend it, bin. Change your b to p. And what's your new word? Yeah, letter P there. It. Blend it. Pin. Amazing. Now, when you play a game, you really want to in, win. Very good. You knew what word I was thinking of. Touch your sounds. Blend it. Win. Wow, you're doing such a fantastic job. Can you believe how many words we've made together so far? All right, we're gonna switch our vowel sound this time to short A. And our rhyme is a, n, an. Okay, so A, N is our rhyme. And I'm gonna make my dots. And our first sound this time is V, V. Yeah, V makes that sound. Okay, ready? V, a, blend it, van. V is our onset, and is our rhyme. Okay, change your V to. Okay, so I'm gonna write a P right here. Because I know the letter P makes the sound. Go ahead and touch your sounds. Blend it, pan. Change your to t, t. What letter should I write? Which letter makes that sound? Yeah, you're right. Letter T makes that sound. Touch your sounds, ready? Blend it, tan, very good. Change your t to f. Yeah, I'm just gonna turn my T into a. Go ahead and touch your sounds. Blend it, fan, very good. Last one on this one, change your to Yeah, letter N makes that sound. Okay, go ahead and touch your sounds here. Blend it, man. Yeah, was our onset, and was our rhyme. And man. Wow, we made so many words here together today, readers and writers. I am so proud of you. Thank you so much for taking time out of your day to be here with me. We practiced all of our letter sounds. We practiced rhyming words, listening for the beginning and the ending sounds. And then we practiced onset, rhyme. And we changed out our onset and kept the rhymes the same to be able to make so many new words. You did an incredible job. I'm so proud of you. And I'll see you next time. Bye.
Teaching in Room 9 is made possible with support of Bank of America, Dana Brown Charitable Trust, Emerson, and viewers like you.